Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly Caines and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. Lately, a very little bit of fitness. Although I do a lot of fitness, I'm hardly ever filming it, but I'm gonna get to it, I promise you guys. But for today's video is going to be fabulous, unlike my hair. It's all over the place, but we're not even gonna mention that. First of all, guys, for the past half hour, 3 of these nails fell off. Yes, they're stick-on nails. They look really cute, sure, but then they just fall off. And it said on the packaging they're supposed to last a whole week. They don't even last half an hour. I'm like, wow. But I'm not going to name any brands. No, today is a good day. We are just going to be all positive. So, today I'm coming at you guys with a phenomenal video. It's gonna make life so much easier if this works, guys. Yes, because as you can tell, I did my makeup, everything's done. It's all, looking all colorful, but I haven't done my eyebrows. Don't look. No, seriously, I haven't done my eyebrows on purpose because I went on Amazon and I was just looking for stuff, I like to look at different things and see what's out there. And I came across this brow kit. And no, it's not a brow kit with like a pencil and all that. No, it's a brow stamp kit. It's actually a stamp where you stamp your brow on to your brow. Or where you stamp some product onto your brow and it's supposed to be fabulous. And I'm like, this is ingenious. If this works, do you know how much time this is going to save me in the morning? My brows take the longest out of all my makeup. Like, I could do everything really quick and my brows will take like half an hour maybe. Because it's hard to get them even and then you have to carve them out and make them all look cute and stuff. And it just takes a lot of time. So, I am hoping this works, and it says as seen on TV. I've never seen this one on TV, so I don't know. It's let me see. It's called 3-second brow eye stamp. Perfect, natural looking eyebrows in seconds. In seconds. Can you imagine what I can do with all the leftover time? Girls, this is going to be a good one. So sit down, relax, chill, grab a snack, grab a drink, the usual. If you're not subscribed to my channel, okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below there right now. And below the video, that red subscribe thing bar, hit that, hit the bell next to it, and then you'll get notified each time I post another crazy video. Yeah, but I am highly excited. And if you look at the girl on the packaging, her eyebrows look fabulous. So I'm like, if my brows are going to look anything like that, we are off to a good start. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Okay. And just because I kind of have a feeling I'm going to need some touch-ups, I have my goof-proof brow pencil from Benefit here. I have a little spoolie brush just to brush my brows and Q-tips just in case I need to make any corrections or anything. I don't have any concealer to carve out my brows and stuff, but I don't think that should be necessary with this. I think this is more of a easy do-it-yourself, get like a gorgeous brow kind of deal. So let's just start trying it on. So, let's see. Okay, I didn't read any of this, but we're just going to kind of wing it and figure it out. And hopefully my nail doesn't come off. Oh, wow, look guys, it came with a little spoolie brush. Oh, that's fabulous. What's the, oh, this is the poison that they put in it. The do not eat, throw away kind of thing. Good. Let's see. Okay, what's this? Oh, wow. This looks good. I like instructions because sometimes you get a product and there's nothing to go with it. And you're like, what the hell am I supposed to do with this? You know, but this is good. Okay, so it comes with one set of structured arched eyebrows and a soft arch. So you get like a really defined arch and a really soft arch. And then a brow compact with a mirror and the instructions. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but I figured I would just throw it in there. I don't know where I want my brow to start. Oh my gosh. Da, da, da. Ready, set, and 1, 2, 3. Hey. Oh, little issue. The tail of the brow, I didn't press hard enough. Now, I'm looking in the mirror. There's a mirror behind the camera. And I'm actually looking at it and it's not looking so bad, guys. Wait a minute now. Okay, hold up. Let me just try to fix it a little. I'm going to take some of the powder to finish the tail because I didn't press hard enough on the end part there. Oh, that worked well. The other eye. Here we go. So first I dip the brow, left brow stencil, I guess, like stamp in the powder. I am gonna okay, let me press on the back end here too. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Let me touch it up. Just a tad here. Okay. I have a feeling that my nail just came off, guys. It was hooked in my hair and it just came off, but I'm popping it right back on. Hold on a second. Okay, that was really ghetto, but guys, okay, it's all good. It's all good. Yep. Okay, I'll never be buying these nails again, but it's all good. So, the brows. I want to say that if you are new to makeup and you're just trying to do your brows and trying to do something with them, I can see how this would be a really good first time use system because it kind of gives you the same shape, because as you guys can see, it's kind of the same shape. The only thing is it's very hard to estimate how much product is on the actual stamp and how much product you're actually putting on your eye, because I do believe this one is a little darker than this one. It's also kind of hard to see, like when you put the stamp on your eye, it's hard to see where you're really stamping, where the front is of the stamp compared to your brow. But having said all that, I'm not going to totally diss this product, guys, because I can see the potential here. If you're new to makeup, you don't know what you're doing, but you want to have a gorgeous brow, I can see how this would work. Because honestly, I don't think it looks bad. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just came across this product and I thought it was cute. It would make for a cute video. If you want to try it, of course, I'll put everything below the video, because I could see how it would be useful. You just have to kind of practice, I think, a little more. This is the first time I used it, and I'm really clumsy when it comes to stuff like, stamps and stuff. So, but yeah, I think it has absolute potential because you can kind of fix it up yourself and make it all look pretty and make sure you get the right color for your hair. But yeah, I absolutely see the benefit here. I think it could have a good function if you're, if you practice a little and know how to use it. I absolutely think it could be beneficial. Yeah. If I had to rate it on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give it a 6.5. A 6.5 because I can see where this could be useful and it could really, really help you make some beautiful brows. But this was the end of my crazy video, guys. I feel like this video was all over the place, guys. I don't know, but I feel like it was, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Nobody's perfect. This video might not be perfect, and that's fine with me. The bottom line is we had a good time. It was fun hanging out with you guys. So check me out again in my next video. I'll try to make it look a little more professional. Yeah, right. And I think I talked enough today. Okay, time to go to sleep. Bye, guys.